Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Management Tutorial Courses. In this video we will be discussing organizing function of management. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Organizing is the process of assembling the people, organizing resources, and distributing the planned work necessary to carry out the manager's plan. Organizing is driven by goals identified during the managerial planning process. It includes developing an organizational structure that allows for the efficient execution of tasks to complete objectives and obtain goals. A manager performs organizing function with the help of these mentioned steps. Number 1. Identification of activities. All the activities which have to be performed in a concern have to be identified first. For example, preparation of accounts, making sales, record keeping, quality control, inventory control, etc. All these activities have to be grouped and classified into units. Number 2. Departmentally organizing the activities. In this step, the manager tries to combine and group similar and related activities into units or departments. This organization of dividing the whole concern into independent units and departments is called departmentation. Number 3. Classifying the authority. Once the departments are made, the manager likes to classify the powers and its extent to the managers. This activity of giving a rank in order to the managerial positions is called hierarchy. The top management is into formulation of policies, the middle-level management into departmental supervision and lower-level management into supervision of foremen. The clarification of authority helps in bringing efficiency in the running of a concern. Number 4. Coordination between authority and responsibility. Relationships are established among various groups to enable smooth interaction toward the achievement of the organizational goal. Each individual is made aware of his authority and he or she knows whom they have to take orders from and to whom they are accountable and to whom they have to report. A clear organizational structure is drawn and all the employees are made aware of it. Thank you for watching this video. Other functions of management are explained in our next videos. Watch them for more details. If you find this video helpful, don't forget like and share our video and subscribe to Next Page Academy YouTube channel for more of such videos.